name is Marquetta Smith, Executive Director of Safe Harbor International Ministries. We have a training institution within Safe Harbor that offers many trainings and workshops to help organizations reach their goals and succeed. Today, I would like to welcome you to an overview of the 4 personality types that all leaders and co-workers should understand and recognize. There are many different personality types, 16 according to the myers-briggs type indicator, but sometimes it's a little difficult to classify a person as a single type. In my experience working as a social worker for over 20 years, I have learned that there tend to be 4 main personality types. Therefore, in this overview and also in the workshop, we will only identify those 4 most common of the personality types and their traits. We feel that these types are most commonly seen in the workplace, and as employees and employers, these are the ones that you will see most often. Different personality types work and communicate in very different ways. Learning how to identify and understand personality types based on common characteristics is a key component to effective practical leadership. In this workshop, these 4 main personality types will be discussed in detail. We label them as number 1, the leader, number 2, the people type, number 3, the free spirit type, and number 4, the task type. We will also understand how each of these types work with other personalities within the workplace setting. Each of these exhibit general characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses, and need to be managed and communicated within different ways. Understanding the unique characteristics will help you successfully manage personality types to increase your team's job satisfaction, performance, and reach organizational goals. When I was working as a social worker at a family intervention center, as a manager there, I was always asked to do family intervention to help diffuse a conflict of some sort. Now, the first thing I did was figure out each party's personality or have the individuals take a personality inventory test. Most of the time, I found conflicts are due to how we're wired at our very core. Our personality typologies hear differently, speak differently, and work differently. Working within an organizational setting where individuals have to work together on different projects or assignments can be a little challenging, especially if individuals do not understand the personality types they're working with. What I've learned is that each personality type has its distinct strengths, but also opportunities for development or weaknesses or blind spots. These weaknesses or blind spots are our roadblocks. What limits us from communicating, relating, and working with others at an optimal level. And every person on this planet, let's face it, has them. In this workshop, individuals will learn how to build a better working relationship within all levels of the organization, minimize conflict, and work with others to reach goals. In this workshop, you will develop your people skills. This means understanding not only your type and how you roll, but understanding the people's types and how they roll. Also in this workshop, individuals will learn how to work with these 4 personality types in the workplace. Managers, you will learn how to manage these personalities effectively. And also individuals will take a personality test. The test that we will use is the Open Extended Jurgen Type Scale 1.2. So why is this important to understand and learn different personality types within the workplace? Managing these personality types is a difficult part of our roles as managers. However, identifying and understanding how each type is motivated and how they communicate is a critical step in being able to effectively manage your team. So how do we do this? And where do we start? Great set of questions. Number 1, to get started, become better at understanding the people around you. Start with these personality traits and their types. Watch their behavior and get to know how they differ. Use that understanding to begin to predict how these individuals will react differently to situations than you would. You can also use this knowledge of their personality to find tasks and settings in which your team members are most likely to excel. Secondly, organizations, you need to train. Train their employees to develop people skills to complement their technical and hard skills and abilities. Thirdly, as employers, get a better understanding of the personality types of those around you, including yourself. You can leverage the strengths of each member to work and communicate better. I have personally seen whole departments and offices boost morale, increase production, decrease conflict in a major way. I've seen better working relationships between management, staff, and the executive team. I've also seen better working relationships between customer service department and its customers. Don't you want to see this take place within your organization? I know I do. Learning these different personality types will get you started and place you and your organization on the road to success. I hope to see you in this workshop. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, you can become better at understanding the people around you.